Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1215 and today's topic is introducing Open AI product, that is Sora AI product, and that is working from text to video generation. So this new product from OpenAI, that is Sora, it is going to bring lot of revolution in comparison to ChatGPT, Gemini by Google and other applications. And nowadays lot of new tools and applications are emerging with new AI technologies, and Sora product is not yet launched. It is under investigation and research, especially checking the risk factor once it is launched. The reason is that it can create video by prompt. Once you give the prompt of your text, that Sora creates such type of background, scenery and voice, video of any place, and that is physical status can be changed into movement and all the beautiful background scene. So this is really very interesting. Before, when Google was there and then ChatGPT came, so ChatGPT became challenge to Google in the sense that Google failed to add the value and Google was giving lot of options. But when ChatGPT came, what prompt was given very specific with a value based output was there. Whatever input is there in the form of text, you will get the output. But now the new product, that is Sora. Sora is going to give you the videography, images, movement, all the digital cloning of any human being, their images, their voice, everything in original, just like original. So whatever text you give, input, that is prompt or commanding, you will get the video. So the producers, they are holding it. It is not yet launched. The product is still under investigation, and especially they are checking that what type of a risk factor will be involved. For example, with the help of Sora, 5 images of ex-president Obama of USA was created. That just for test, and it was displayed and asked by the public that which one is original. So somebody said number 1, somebody said number 3, somebody said number 4, somebody said number 5, because nobody mentioned that out of 5 all are fake. So it is a big I can say challenge to all of us that once it is in action, that Sora product of AI, then the world will change and it will affect your cinematography, cinema production. In India it is Bollywood and Hollywood, because inside your house you can sit and by giving the prompt you can make the documentary film, even full film of 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, by giving the command or prompt that you want this type of scene, you want mountain, you want some 100-year-old condition of New York City or California. So all these things will be taken care. And the biggest risk is that with the help of Sora, you can create some politician's image and his videography, and then digital cloning of his voice, and you can display that he is abusing. to Mr. Y, and it may create lot of tension in the society, in the country. So these are all that is called faking or fake news information challenge, and also fake videos, fake digital cloning. So that's why research is going on, and especially on the risk factor. In the meantime, and other is getting ready to replace, to challenge Sora, that is called Mora, M-O-R-A. But Mora name is coined only by last week. And still Sora and Mora both, they are not in market as a product. Still they are holding on. Definitely, first Sora will come maybe within few months time. It may take 2 months, 3 months time, because this technology, the new product Sora is already ready, and the producers, they are just holding to do the assessment of its risk factor and so many other social factors. And let me show you some few clip of Sora video and how the text prompt was converted to Sora video. So this is the generation by Sora, the video, by giving the prompt text that one beautiful lady is moving in Tokyo market, and all scene background, everything is all digital, and it is on the basis of command. This created by Sora, historical California city, some maybe 100 to 100-year-old, how people are moving, how everything is in natural form, and food, donkey, horses, bicycle. So today's California and some few 100-year-old California, you can imagine. This is created by Sora following the speedy, dusty vehicle on muddy roads. So it is all creation and generated by Sora. So very soon, first we are expecting within 2-3 months time, OpenAI new product, that is Sora. And Sora is going to challenge or replace ChatGPT, because ChatGPT, it is input, output is text. But in the case of Sora, it will be very smart, very accurate, and it will be input of text into video, audio, and scene, images, and where your physical world will be changed into video and motion. This is very, very interesting, and in future it is going to change a lot in lifestyle, in education, in science, and in rural area. You can create a lot of things, and this robotic and all this with the use of Sora, OpenAI product can handle so many things. So here I have written in summary about the Sora. Number one, Sora is not available as a product of AI in the market. At the moment it is not available. Still it is under investigation or research. I have already told you, it's because of its deep faking, fake news, fake images, and that we call it the safety and fake information. That is very, very serious matter. That's why they are still doing some research and analysis. Producers are currently working to assess the tool's capabilities, limitations, and risk factor. But hopefully within 2 to 3 months time, it will be launched in the market. First Sora will come, will be followed by another application is getting ready, that is called Mora. Number two, according to producers, CE, according to producers, we are teaching artificial intelligence, that is AI, to understand and simulate the physical world. That is the main work of Sora tool. the new application to interact with physical world, to bring it into motion, to bring it in very, very beautiful images. Whatever prompt is given, it will interact with physical world and change into beautiful scene in motion with goal and uh, training models that help people to solve problems that require real world interaction. Actually, this will be so much effective that, for example, it is given that in 1925, a Nobel laureate Albert Einstein, gave the equation E is equal to mc square. With the help of Sora, they can put such type of information by the same Einstein images that no E is equal to mc square, there is some problem, and it should be like that. So unless those people who are aware of Sora application and tools, they may understand that it may be fake. Otherwise, common man will understand that there is some change. So that is the serious thing. And it also will be serious for politicians. They can create the image. They can do the cloning, digital cloning of the external and voice and physical world. And they can demonstrate that president of this nation or that nation in UNO, they are saying this. So these are all very, very complex situation. That factor is still they are doing the analysis how to cover the risk factor and deep faking factor. Deep faking means just like deep learning, the creation of fake images and fake information. Number 3, introducing Sora and Mora. First Sora and then Mora can generate videos up to 1 minute long videos while maintaining visual quality. And now that 1 minute will be extended up to 10 minutes, 15 minutes and 30 minutes. Sora will be capable of generating scenes with multiple characters, very specific types of motions and accurate details of the subject and background. Sora model, the OpenAI product, that is Sora model, will understand the users asked for in the prompt and how those things exist in physical state in the world or in the universe. Number 4, safety and fake information, that is called deep faking, will be taking several safety steps ahead of Sora available in the market as a OpenAI's product. Producers are working with red teamers, domain experts in area like misinformation, also hateful content and bias. They are also building tools to help detect in misleading content. I mean, whatever misleading content in the form of video, in the form of space, they are working how to handle them, and that can tell when the video of Sora was generated or Mora, and they plan to introduce C2PA metadata, that is C2PA metadata. They are going to use that specific type in the future if we deploy the models in an OpenAI product in the market. So before introduction to the market, I have given this lecture, and I wish that these OpenAI products are available in the market within 2-3 months time, maybe within 2024. All the analysis and that is safety measures are taken care, and then we can enjoy very good, very fast text to video product, and we can make our film documentary in Maiduguri, in Lagos, everywhere, and of course cinematography and other places of that is animation and some other musical play. All these will be affected, but of course it will create a lot of jobs, and everybody will become film producer and film director in future. With this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.